costs. It's estimated that pain amounts to 6.7 billion cumulative patient days. The World Health Organization developed a three-step pain ladder as a practice guide for physicians.
In the previous round, we lost quite a lot, like minus 12,000K because of the price.
12 million? Okay.
So we go count the market price, we see the market price, and we think like what the customer want for our product. So we just
on the cost efficiency. I try to improve the production efficiency because I noticed something that when you increase it, you can lower the wage.
Okay.
And I try to be realistic about the production efficiency for that year. Like one person can produce how many products?
Okay.
How many units?
We won practice round 3 and we almost made 13 million euro. And I believe the reason we won is analyzing data in the best possible way. So what I did was analyze each team separately and see in which market they sold more, and for which product and for which country, why they sell more in that particular country and for that particular product, and how much was the market share and how much was the profit. So by just analyzing and comparing advertisement to customer care and quality control and reflecting back to the case study that how increasing or decreasing prices is going to affect the market. Basically, understanding the behavior of the market. I think that was the reason. Mostly we are pretty much open to everyone's opinion and everyone is quite agreeable about the best opinion. So even I changed some of my opinions with some of friends' opinion. I thought that their idea is better. So it was all interconnected. I took.
Is that?
For example, in Finland for painkiller, I exactly took the offered number by one of the colleagues. But I hope in future round we can have it like a debate and contribute more.
Okay, what?
Well, it's a big risk to be willing to take risks. Is the main reason. Is the main thing I learned. By having very great, I spent a lot of time to analyze the market, draw charts. Well, it was very interesting. Sometimes I saw two companies having same price, but in the same market, some companies sold more, much more. But when I went back and I tried to analyze why did that happen, even though the price was same or even though the advertisement was same. So what made the other company more successful? I hope to have long-term strategies till the final round and to analyze and evaluate best where to invest and when not to invest. Yeah. If it wasn't the graph of demand and supply from last session, I couldn't do it. Supply and demand.